will show you how to work faster and more efficient in Phonemos, using a few essential keyboard shortcuts and how to display a list of all shortcuts within Phonemos. First, let's quickly look at how you can access all shortcuts directly in Phonemos. For this, you simply type a / and enter help, and then a macro shows up where you can see all of your shortcuts. Another option is to click on the Phonemos documentation and just type in here shortcut, and there the same list shows up. Here I copy and pasted a few of the most important shortcuts we'll use today. With just these 4 example shortcuts, you can already structure most of your content very efficiently. But there are a lot more available, as you saw before. Let's try these 4 out with some example text that I will copy and paste in here. The first one is marking text bold. This is very simple. You just use Ctrl B and the text is marked bold. To create a heading, let's say heading 2, you just mark the text and use Ctrl Alt and 2. The third one is creating a bullet list. For this, you just mark all 3 bullet points and then you use Ctrl Shift and 8, and it creates automatically your bullet point list. The fourth one is inserting a link. So you just use Ctrl K and then you can type in the link. So let's say, for example, phonemos.com, and the text that you want to display, this would be Phonemos website. And you click away and then you have your link already. That's it. With these simple shortcuts, you can create structured content in Phonemos much faster. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.